Hi guys, so today I am going to make my own game in Roblox Studio. Someone gave me this idea in my ranking all the Geometry Dash icons part 2, and he said that Ramazan, I think you should make your own game and start learning programming, stuff like that. And he also said good luck, and I said sure, I will do that tomorrow, stuff like that. So that's why I'm here. So let's just get started. First, let's think. I actually thought that we should make a zombie infection game. You know, like those zombie infection games on Roblox, unless you don't play Roblox. But I'm gonna make a zombie infection game by Gnome Code. And Gnome Code is very good at scripting. He has a lot of tutorials on how to make games, and his latest video is how to make a zombie infection game. And so I will be doing the same thing. And I don't know if this is like a part 1 or something, or if it's just he builds the whole thing in like one video, but let's just get started. Okay.
Hello, my fellow nerds.
First of all, we need to open Roblox Studio because that's where I'm going to create my zombie infection game. And thank you, whoever commented on my part 2 ranking all the icons video. I forgot what their name was, but thanks to them, whoever gave me this idea, because that was actually a smart idea to give me this idea, and that's why I'm here to make one. Okay, there we go. Now there's Roblox Studio. Or is it? Okay, there we finally go. Now we can actually do it. Okay. Logging in. Just bring me to Roblox Studio. I don't care. Okay, yeah, that's my account. New game. Okay. Now, what did he pick? He didn't say what to pick yet. This video is literally 1 like away from 1,000 likes. I just liked it. Actually, nah. I want to be the 1,000 one to like it. Whatever.
Welcome to another video. Today we are making a round-based zombie infection game, perfect for Halloween packs. It was all made for this tutorial. Very simple to make actually. And the map here, there'll be a link to this in the description, kit, so you can get started, or you can just follow along. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is our starting.
Okay, so I don't know what map that is. Hold on. Let me go to Roblox Studio for a sec. Whoa. Wait. What? Why is there... Okay, I guess... What the heck? Bro. Okay, we only need 1. Yeah. There we go. Now... I think he picked the modern city. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure he did. Did he? Let me see. And did he actually pick it? Hold up. No, it does not look like it. Hold up, give me a sec, let me find this. Is it? Is it a cat? Gotcha. No. Let me go here again. What map is that?
Place. It's a pretty basic map. Now, before we get into the actual scripting, we need to organize it a little bit. So I've got a whack to the video. Hello, my fellow gnomes. Welcome to another video. Today we are making a round-based zombie infection game, perfect for Halloween perhaps. It was all made for this tutorial. Very simple to make actually. And the map here, there'll be a link to this in the description.
Oh, the map there is linked in the description? Where is it then? Is it this?
Hello, my fellow gnomes. Welcome to...
Hold up. Oh, okay. Now do I just bring this to Roblox Studio? Pretty sure. But how? So now what do I do? I got it. Now let me open that up. Okay. Come on, just. Now where is it? What the heck, dude? Just. Oh, hold on. Okay, I can choose from here. Now, need to see game. Oh. Okay. No, not. Oh my god. Not Roblox. I mean Roblox Studio. Hold up. Desktop. Roblox Studio. There we go. Okay, now that I did that. Oh, okay. It's here. There we go. Okay. There it is. Okay. Now that we have the map. And yeah. Cool. Finally, this took me like 10 minutes to find. Alright.
So you can get started or you can just follow along. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is our starting place. It's a pretty basic map. Now, before we get into the actual scripting, we need to organize it a little bit. So I've got a weapons folder and a zombie folder. This is a zombie we're going to use today. Now, the weapons, you can put anything you like in here. I've just got this shotgun at the moment. Whatever we put in here.
Oh, that thing? Okay, so let's see if I have the same thing. Let me just close that and just get this. Yeah, whatever. Okay, yeah, I have the same weapon. Whatever, now let's go back to the video.
I don't need to give too many players on the survivor game.
Hey, sure.
Take the weapons and the zombie and move them into server script service.
Server script service. I was going to put them in. Hold up. Did you say the? Okay, yeah, the weapons and the zombie. Weapons and the zombie. Server script service. Boom. All right.
We don't need them to be in the game world. Now, before we get into the scripting, one thing to bear in mind is that I'm assuming you have a certain level of scripting knowledge here. So if this is your first time scripting, I'd recommend checking out my beginner's guide first, which will help make this video make a lot more sense to you. Well, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and create our game.
This is not the first time I start scripting. I scripted a bunch of times. Well, I still don't know how to script that much, but I do know some scripting. But we're just going to copy his scripting because, well, I mean, how else are we gonna make the game work?
In loop script.
Okay, so we called it game loop. Okay, boom. Now let's start scripting.
Perfect. Now we might as well move both of these items as children of the script.
The children, okay. Sure. Sure. The game loops children. Okay. Sure. He has some children, right? Kids.
Because we're going to need the one script here. And we're also going to need to have our output open, because we're doing scripting, we want to see if there are any errors, of course.
Well, obviously. Output. Boom. Good.
So we're going to start out just by laying out the sort of basis for our script. So we're going to need the player service.
Local players.
And then we're going to just...
Okay. Let me just copy that. Local players. Local players equals play again equals game get service players. Get service. Oops. Turned on cap locks. Get service and players. Boom. Alright, since we have that. Oops. Okay. Now what?
It's fine.
Okay, another line. Oh, yeah,
Need some sort of global variables for how long we want the round to last. Now I'm typing these in all caps. Yes.
Local round duration equals 60. Okay. Are these spaces again? Or nope. I don't want a new tab. Just okay, it's what was it? Underscore. Yeah, that's what it's called. Underscore and then duration. Round duration equals equals 60. Okay.
It's kind of like a bit of a tradition on Roblox that you use all caps when you're talking about globals or constants, things that you're probably not going to want to change. They're more just like settings that you have, and it makes them very visible.
Local intermission underscore duration. Okay. I never made a zombie infection game. I was really close to making my tower defense game, but there's just an error. That's why I'm just making this now. So what was it again? I think I'm just talking too much. That's what I'm getting. Maybe let me just focus and you guys can also hear the video. and just watch me build this. Why is there Roblox? Let me close that. Open up that. Intermission. Okay. Intermission.
If you want to then edit them later. So we'll have 10 seconds. The information, 1 minute for the round, and then we'll have a minimum players as well. So that for you. And then we're going to have a function for starting the game. You're going to have a function as for ending the game. A function for the intermission. And these three functions combined are we're just gonna loop between all of them. So we're gonna call the intermission function straight away, and then that's gonna
Oops. Oh, yeah, and then moving on. Wait, why do I have 19. I'm doing a big mistake. Hold up, wait. Oh no, I'm not doing a mistake. It's because like, okay, I'm not doing a mistake. I think his is different. It's rather he's like doing this, like he's scrolling to the left, and so it goes like when it reaches 9 it's 0 again, or hey, his design is just like that. Like I thought for a sec that I was doing something wrong.
Wait and see if we have the minimum players. So let's write a loop for that. We'll say while, and we get all the players in the game. So player service, get players. That gives the table. We want to know how many are in the table, so we use the hash. Hashtag get players is greater or equal to the min players value. Actually, we want to check while it's less than, while it's less than minimum. Actually, we want to check while it's less than, while it's less than minimum players, then we want to keep waiting.
Okay. So, or not the equals.
So we'll just throw in a print to demonstrate waiting for players, ... and then we'll throw in a pass for wait.
Wait, why do I always sometimes write wait as waiting? Let's go down to wait
1 second. And then once we do have enough players, we want to start.
By the way, how much have I been recording for? I don't know how much. It doesn't show how much I've been recording for. Whatever, it doesn't really matter.
Our timer for the infinite.
Alright, so we spaced out these. One, 2, 1, 2, okay.
Mission. Using our intermission duration, we're going to create a for loop, for I, and we set it starting off rather than 1, we set it equal to the intermission duration. And wanted to get go down to 1, and we're going to reduce it by -1 each time. And so can print out there the information and the value I.
Oh, hold up. That's not supposed to be there. There we go.
And then again, we're just going to have a task wait.1, otherwise we're going to run through this loop all in one go.
No.
Now while this intermission period is running, it's possible somebody might have lacked the game. We're going to check the amount of players in the game again, so we can copy this line. Instead of checking it's less than down, we want it to be greater than or equal to this time. Instead of checking if it's less than, we want it to be greater than or equal to. This time. So if we have enough players, then we can call that
Looking good so far.
start game function. But otherwise, if we don't, if someone is left, you know, no longer having enough players, then we're just going to restart the mission. So we'll call the function again, and the whole process starts all over. Now let's go to our start game function. So the first thing we're going to do is we want to have some sort of value to keep track of what the current state of the game is.
Hold up, give me a sec. I'm a little thirsty. Alright.
You could use a variable for this, but I'm actually going to use an attribute here. So workspace set attribute, and I'm going to say game running, and we'll set it to true.
Workspace set attribute.
Good. Now we're going to want to teleport the player in and maybe set them up and all the kind of starting of the game logic. But for now, all we're going to do is we're just going to put in another timer. So we're going to copy that timer, paste that in. All we're going to do is we're just going to put in another timer. So we're going to copy that timer, paste it. That in here. But instead of the intermission duration, we want it to be round duration.
Oop. Whatever.
And we'll change this print game to say game and then when the game is ended, or rather the timer is finished, then we want to call the end game. Function. And what we're going to do now.
How is it doing that? Saying unknown global. That means there's something wrong. What did I do wrong? Okay. I don't see anything wrong, but let's just see. Okay, so I don't know what is wrong. Am I on the wrong line? Hold up. Local function, start game, that's 7. Hold up. Isn't this supposed to... No. Yeah. That's start game right there. I don't get this. What? Give me a sec, let me figure this out. Duration.
function. Well, we're going to
Hold up. Oh! There's no local there. Oh, okay. That's why that happened. Okay. There's no function. Wait, is there supposed to be a local function there? Yeah, but not at there. Okay. That's why it didn't work.
I want to clear up a few things. But for now, let's just set this attribute to false and head back to the intermission. So there we go, that is a very basic little round script.
Oh, okay. That's why. It's because he was zoomed out a lot. Okay.
Already running. Before we go any further, let's just change the minimum players down to 1 so we can test a bit easier. So if I just click test and I click play, I should then spawn inside of the box, and we can see straight away we've got the intermission.
Alright. Waiting. Here's and there's the intermission. Okay, working out great. Intermission. 3, 2, 1. Game 69. Yeah. Okay, pretty cool, huh?
Mission 1098, and it's going to count down all the way to 1 as we expect. When we reach there, it's going to start the game counter and it's going to count down for a minute. We don't want to wait for that whole time, so we'll go ahead and hit stop. And of course, if the minimum players was 2 as it's...
Yep. Okay, hit stop.
supposed to be. So we're not going to have that counter when it's full, we're just going to be stuck with the waiting for players text.
Okay, so now if we do that, then this map is actually quite nice. I like that thing there, that board thing there. Zombie infection, breaking news, zombies everywhere, run! Okay, so actually, you know what, let's do a little more. Let's do, like, even though I probably recorded for like a lot, let's still do this. We're not gonna finish the whole video though, because let's do it until he tests it again right here. And then I'll save it to, zombie infection game. Test the part, or not parts, zombie infection game 10 minutes done. And then we'll end the video.
Now, of course, you might have noticed that we have this spawn box up here, which has a spawn location inside of it. But on the map, I don't have any actual spawns. What I do have is I have these folder. Inside the map folder, I have something called spawns. I have survivor and zombie spawns. So we've got the zombie ones over here. There's one, and there's another one, and there's another one. These are all just parts. They're invisible at the moment, so I can make them visible so you can see them, but they're just anchored and they have the collisions disabled. And we're just using these as position references so we can tell the player to move to this position. Now, we're not using spawn locations because we don't really need to control the spawn logic. I'm quite happy for everyone to spawn inside this box, and then we can manually set whether or not we want them to be on the map according to whatever state the game is in. So we need to start teleporting our players into that game map, but before we do, we need to decide who is the survivor team and who is the zombie team. Now, for this game, we're just going to choose one random player to be the zombie, and everyone else is going to be the survivor. So let's go to our start.
I actually want 2 players to be the zombie. So I'm just going to do 2 players the zombie and everyone else the survivors.
Game function.
Alright. Go back to our game loop. What is this? Oh, that's the collisions group. We don't need that right now. Okay, 10. Boom.
First of all, we need to get all the players in the game again. Now, I'm actually going to create a variable for this just to save me typing it multiple times. So all players is equal to players get players.
Wait, what? Huh? Wait, what is that? I don't know. What kind of P is that? I think he did a mouse.
I'm gonna.
I think that's capital.
Wait, and you.
Oh yeah, that's capital. So local all players equals players gets players.
Random object, and then I want a random player. So I'm going to get this table of all. Players. I'm going to use these square brackets to index it, and then I want a random value, net integer, the truth. Between 1 and the total number of all players, so that's...
Well, I want 2 and all players because I want 2 to be the zombie and all of the other players are survivors. So 2 and hashtag all players.
All players with that hash in front of it. And now I've got that random player, let's turn them.
Hold up, I want to see if this says zombies. Okay, yeah, zombies.
Into a zombie. I'm going to actually break this out into a new function, just
local function.
so things don't get quite so perfect. So let's have one called Born Zombie, and this is actually going to happen. A parameter which is going to be the player, so we can...
Okay, actually I think I might have to do 1. Whatever, 1 is also good.
we can send that now down below. We can start saying let's just close off.
What? Hold on. What did he do?
Down below, you can start saying, let's just close off the function there. There we go, we've got an end.
Oh. Okay, there we go.
And then now we can say spawn zombie and provide that random player that we just found. So in our spawn zombie script, we're going to use this zombie model that I have. It's a child, so that makes it nice and easy. You can say local zombie equals script dot zombie, and we're going to create a new copy. So we use the clone method, and in order to make the player use this new model as their character, we need to say player.character and we'll set the equal the zombie. And then we need to add the zombie